I stand before the mirror every morning, searching for a flaw before I see my face, picking apart every reflection, staring back like I'm in a race I'll never win or place. The world keeps shouting what perfection looks like through every screen and every magazine. And somewhere along the way I started believing I had to change to be worthy of being seen. But these tired eyes have cried enough tears, trying to become somebody else for years. I'm living with an eating disorder, fighting battles nobody can see, trapped between the mirror's distortion and the person I was born to be. Every inch of me feels under scrutiny, every meal feels tangled up in fear, but underneath the self-judgment and doubt there's a soul that's still standing here. Some days I wear oversized sweaters, trying to disappear into the crowd. Other days I stare at old photographs, wondering why I'm never allowed to see what everybody else can see. A human being deserving of love, instead of chasing impossible standards that keep moving further above. I'm tired of measuring my value in my size, tired of believing all those lies. I'm living with an eating disorder, fighting battles nobody can see, trapped between the mirror's distortion and the person I was born to be. Every inch of me feels under scrutiny, every meal feels tangled up in fear, but underneath the self-judgment and doubt there's a soul that's still standing here. My body has carried me through every storm, every heartbreak, every sleepless night. Maybe it deserves a little kindness, maybe it deserves me to stop the fight. Maybe healing starts with one small whisper, a gentle voice instead of war, saying you don't have to earn your existence, you were enough before. I'm living with an eating disorder, but it isn't all that I am. I'm a daughter, a dreamer, a survivor, doing the best that I can, and one day when I call home. One breath, one day, one step alone. And maybe that's where freedom starts. Not changing my body, but healing